Hi, this is Dr. Namrita. Today in this video, I will tell you about how to cleanse your liver naturally at your home. In this video, I will tell you about top 3 home remedies to detoxify your liver, because liver is a very important organ of our body. It performs various life-saving and vital functions of our body. It detoxifies our body as well as it purifies our blood, removes harmful chemicals, toxins from our blood and the body. But due to the our lifestyle changes, like by using certain medications, eating high calorie diet, our sedentary lifestyle, excessive consumption of alcohol, smoking and tobacco, caffeine, or also due to the certain infection, viral infection or bacterial infection, our liver cells damaged and destroyed. Getting due to this condition, our liver cells become so weak that it could not perform its life-saving vital functions. In this video, I will tell you about top 3 home remedies to protect your liver cells and also remove the damage at your liver cell. So video is very informative. Watch till then. Stay with me. Let's get started. Before starting the video, if you haven't not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. Let's discuss about the topic top 3 home remedies for detoxification of your liver cell. As already I have told you that the liver is a very important organ of our body. It is the second largest organ of our body, performs various vital and life-saving functions like it detoxifies our body, our blood, removes the toxins, various harmful chemicals from the blood and purify the blood. Also helps in the synthesis of vitamin D, and also helps in the formation of sex hormone. It helps in the digestion of food, digestion of fat. So in this way, liver is a very important or vital organ of our body. Certain conditions like eating high calorie diet, excessive consumption of alcohol, sedentary lifestyle, due to certain medications or due to some infection, our liver cells become so weak and destroyed. Whenever our liver dysfunction, the symptoms may arise that loss of appetite, fatigue, body ache, bloating, constipation, acidity, nausea, vomiting. These type of symptoms can be seen due to when our liver dysfunction. Liver is a very important or vital organ of our body. To protect these liver cells from the damage or also reduces the inflammation from the liver cell, we have to clean or detoxify our liver cells regularly. So let's discuss about how to cure your liver or how to detoxify your liver naturally at your home. Let's discuss about what are the top 3 home remedies. The first home remedy will be the milk thistle. Milk thistle is a very important home remedy for your detoxification of your liver cells. Milk thistle is a rare herb. It is found very rarely, but nowadays the capsules of the milk thistles are available in the market. In the milk thistle, there is a silmarin active compound is found, which is a strong antioxidant. It reduces the toxins or harmful chemicals from our liver cells. It detoxify our liver cells, also improve the function of our liver cells, and also it protects from the liver from the damage. Also it enhances the liver functions by improving the liver enzymes and also protect from the liver damage. So you have to take 2 capsules of the milk thistle per day, 1 capsule in the morning and 1 capsule in the night after meal. Take this capsule for the 2 to 3 months. Definitely you will get very good result. After that, the next second home remedy will be the turmeric. Turmeric is a wonder spice and it is a very active ingredient of our Indian cuisines, and it has the active compound named curcumin. Curcumin has the anti-inflammatory properties. Also it has the antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. It reduces the inflammation of our liver cells, also protects liver from the further liver damage. It also improves the liver functions and enhances the liver enzymes. You have to add turmeric in your daily diet. Let's talk how to take. You can take 1 glass of turmeric milk in the night before sleep, or you can take the turmeric with the honey. So you can take 1 spoon of honey and add 2 pinch of turmeric in that and mix well and eat this paste early in the morning. And the third home remedy will be the garlic. Garlic is a very important home remedy for the liver detoxification. Garlic has the allicin active compound which have the anti-inflammatory properties. So the garlic reduces the inflammation from our body as well as from our liver. it is a protective in nature. It protects the liver for the further damage. Also, it reduces the damage from the liver cells. It also helps to reduce the cholesterol, bad cholesterol, that is the low density lipoprotein, or reduces the bad cholesterol from our body, triglycerides, and also improve the HDL, that is the good cholesterol, helps to the absorption of the good fat. You can take the garlic pulse, or you can take the raw garlic, 2 pieces of the raw garlic early in the morning before breakfast. You can take this home remedy for a 2 to 3 months. Definitely you will get very good result. Also, you have to follow some precautions, or follow some tips. That is the you have to eat right diet. You have to add fibers to your diet. You have to add fruits, vegetable, green salads, and whole grains to your diet. It reduces the inflammation from our body as well as from our liver cell, because it contains the lots of fibers. It has the minerals, vitamins. It improves our liver cells. And the second tips will be the you have to do exercise regularly. The 30 minutes of walk daily is a very necessary for our proper body functioning. Also reduces the inflammation from our liver cells, and also reduces the extra fat from the liver. So you have to do exercise regularly or yoga. And the third tips will be the you have to avoid unhealthy things like alcohol, smoking, caffeine. Please follow these tips and also take these 3 home remedies. Definitely you will get very good result. So friends, this was the discussion about the how to detoxify your liver naturally at your home. So I hope you will like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.